are coming. The British are coming. The British are coming.
The British can't come. They're weird.
I need to plug in this.
Blend. Okay, there's your daily dose of blend. That's an egg beater.
Yeah, this is. No, this is
mixer.
a mixer. A mixer. Not
It beats eggs.
No.
Yeah, it does.
An egg beater is this, also called a whiskola.
If you don't know what a
What are you doing?
whiskola is, it's not that. It's a whisk, not a whiskola.
I like to call it whiskola. Whatever. Deal with that later. Okay.
Don't judge me.
When
I snap
so
this-
good.
Yeah, that looks satisfying too. Sorry, we can't show you the satisfaction.
Yeah, because we're too greedy to keep the satisfaction to ourselves. More mixing.
Satisfaction. You're satisfied. Unless you're
You're a
weird.
boring person.
Yeah, then you're
Like my grandpa.
and my
Just
grandpa.
kidding.
My grandpa eats puffed rice, and if you don't know what that is, it's the most boring cereal ever. Cat, move over so I can show them the picture. Picture!
So next ingredient is
Whiskers.
so now we're gonna put in some flour.
To be honest. Put
Yeah.
it in this cup.
No, we don't.
Look at this graph.
We need to put.
I'm sorry about all the graphs that are going to be in this video.
No, there's gonna be no graphs. Maybe one, but no
Maybe
more.
one, but like maybe there's gonna be a graph floating in front of our faces the whole time. Maybe
No. I don't know why, but Miles
I'm
is
kidding.
obsessed with graphs for some reason. It's new. It's a new thing. It just started today. I don't know what.
No, I always went to graph
And a
class
half
in
cup.
physics.
1.5.
I always loved my graphs.
There's no such thing as class. You only said that because of a meme, dude. It's not funny.
Okay, you want to bet? Look at this graph. Graph.
Wow.
This is the power of the graph, people.
No, this is the power of a whisk, cookie batter, and some flour.
That's not a whisk. That's
Oh,
a
whatever
graph.
it is.
That's an egg beater.
No, it's a stirrer. It's a whiskola. I don't know. A mixer. Yes, that's the word.
It's the mixer grapher thingy.
Whoa. There's like a cloud of flour up here.
I think they can sing. Wait, actually they can't. I forgot. Cameras are bad at this stuff. You're flinging. Wait, whisk it upward, so that like all the stuff comes off.
Yeah, I know. Yum.
Yum.
That had raw egg on it.
No, it didn't.
Oh, okay.
That part didn't. Cookie dough. It looks like a.
Now-
How much graphs are in?
So now we're gonna put a half teaspoon baking soda. This is a 4th teaspoon, so I'm gonna put 2 of these. So now I'm gonna take this. Would you do the honors to bring these 2 things to my mama?
Okay.
Ooh. Ooh. Out there.
Who put salt in? This is why we're only putting a tablespoon? Okay.
Half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon.
Whoopsie, I forgot to put my hand. Sorry, please don't.
Sorry, content.
So now, I'm gonna take the whiskola.
Oh, by the way, she did that for, she didn't do that just for content. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right. You got it on me.
I don't care. Whoa, that's so satisfying. I think that's pretty good, isn't it?
Okay. This is not a graph.
This is cookie dough.
Yeah, it's cookie dough. Don't get it confused. This is a graph. This is cookie dough.
And then put them
the-
together. That was way too much. I accidentally was supposed to put half of that, but we'll have many, many, many chocolate chip cookies.
She kind of put the whole bag in.
I thought we were supposed to put the whole bag, but then I realized we're supposed to put half, so oopsies. So you want to put 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Don't be a mistaker like me. Put in 6 ounces. Don't put in 12 ounces. It's not good for your health.
Yeah, it is.
Don't tell them lies, Miles.
I'm not lying. They can have as much stuff as they want. They can put in 7 ounces if they want.
They can put in 8 million and they will die.
Okay, yeah.
Because they can choke on all the... If they put 8 million, there would be more chocolate chips in this thing than there was cookie batter. And basically, they'd be taking a bite out of chocolate chips. You know,
Okay,
like,
so...
ooh, chocolate chips.
So, everyone...
Mix harder!
Okay! That looks good.
Yep.
Yeah, we're good.
Now we're going to put them on the tray.
And if you don't know what a tray is,
then you're...
this is a tray. Just for your people.
I got a tray!
If you don't...
Ungreased. So that means we got to do this.
Okay, I know how to do this.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I've made sugar cookies.
This isn't making sugar cookies, Miles.
It's basically the same thing.
2 inches apart. 2 inches apart.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
So now we want
Did
to
better
move
than
them.
you did.
No.